Hey friends, how are ya? I hope you're having a good day so far. Today's video is a double unboxing. I have two things from I Love Dooney. One is from the glitch or whatever that happened a couple weeks ago. And then the other one I've had for several weeks, maybe like over a month. I just haven't had time to unbox it and show you guys. I'm definitely ready to actually get that bag because I was excited about that one. Don't remember what the prices were on these. I'll definitely leave them below. And I say that because I'm always curious about what people pay. So if I'm curious, I'm sure somebody else is too. So I'll leave it below. Pick whichever one is on top here. Okay, so this is the one from the glitch. So here it is. So the price is actually on here. Now, this is not one that I thought I would really ever get. The style of bag, yes, but the material, no, because it's not my favorite. But I thought, well, this will be a bag that I can just kind of not worry about, treat it bad if I have to, whatever. This is the drawstring bag, as you can see there, and I got black. It's the black color. The reason why I say I thought I would never get this one is because this is in the Saffiano leather. I'm not a huge fan of Saffiano, just in general. Really with any brand. I do have some Saffiano, so it's not like I don't have any, but it's just not my favorite. I prefer Pebble or Florentine or even something like, I can't remember what the other one is called, but anyway, I just don't prefer Saffiano. But here it is. It's still really pretty. It has feet on the bottom and of course the zipper pocket in the front. And I kind of decided to get this because of Suz. She showed one of her bags. Maybe it was at Logan. I get confused about some of the names, but I feel like it was a Logan. And I thought it was so pretty. And I just didn't really want to spend that much just because I've been buying a lot of bags. I have several others that I need to show you guys. But you know what? I really do like this one. I think it's really going to come in handy. And I'll just open it up. I know this is not a new bag for any of you by any means. But I'll go ahead and show you the inside. Of course, it has the dust bag, the strap that's attached to the key keeper there. So this has the striped lining, and we have a slip pocket here, zip pocket there, and then on the other side a full slip pocket there. I don't think this goes crossbody. I don't have any scissors in here to, yeah, no it doesn't. Okay, so I'm just going to show you really quickly. I'm not going to take the paper off just because I can never get this paper off. It takes me forever. So I'm just going to clip it on just really quickly. And you can see that's the strap drop, which is fine with me. It's a really good strap drop. It doesn't, you know, hike up under your arm, and it falls down enough. To me, I like it because see where I'm at right here? I can just kind of hold on to it right there. And I really like that. That's a perfect strap drop for me. I just like to, you know, rest my hand right there. So I do think I'll get a lot of use out of this one. This will be a good one for me maybe to take on trips if I know that, you know, you want to put a water bottle in there and just kind of throw stuff in. I like that the strap is thicker. It's thicker, so I do like that. I said I was going to tell you the price. Okay, so this one was $57.30. So I was so excited because I actually had like $20-something of rewards that I used. So I ended up paying, I don't know, $30-something for this bag. With the glitch, I thought it was like $69 or something like that. But anyway, it was a really good price, and that's why I decided just to go ahead and get this one. That price is too good to pass up. I also got another bag, but my sister, she wanted it, so we combined so that we could get free shipping. She got, I'll try to find it and put a picture here. It's a satchel. And it's like a domed satchel. I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, she got that one. All right, the next bag is this one. And this one I did pay shipping on this one, but I decided to go ahead and pay the shipping because it still ended up being a really good deal. I despise paying shipping, but I paid it anyway. Without shipping, total was $62, and I ended up paying $70 for it. This is the bag that I got, and this is the large Erica, and again, this is black. Actually, don't have a bag like this, believe it or not. I do not have a bag like this. My sister is the one who loves hobo bags. I've never really liked them, but I do kind of see the good things about hobos. So that's why I decided I wanted to get one. This one I feel like has I'm looking at it and I feel like it's been returned because there is no dust bag. The only material that was in it is, I'm just gonna show you. See how that is right there? Okay, I see what they did. It was wrapped. It was kind of like, there's a partition in here. I forgot there was a partition. So the paper was wrapped on the little centerpiece, but there's no dust bag. The lining was really weird. You see that right there? The lining was like pulled up. Yeah, it was like that. It was like pulled up, which is really weird. I've never seen that. Otherwise, I mean, it doesn't look, I'm not seeing any issues with it. Yeah, I'm not seeing any issues. Looks like all the hardware looks nice. So I don't like that it doesn't have a dust bag. I'm not going to be picky about it, I don't think. Two reasons why I got, well, a couple reasons, we'll say 3 reasons why I got this bag. 1, because I don't have any like it. Okay, like I just said, I don't have any like it. 2, because it's this isn't that nylon. What is this called? Canvas, maybe? So it's very lightweight, super lightweight. But 3, because it has that center zip. So there's a compartment here with a slip pocket and a slip pocket, and then on the other side another compartment there with a slip pocket and a zip pocket, and then the center zips. So the center zips like that, unzips, and I really do like that. I like to have, I've said it 1,000,001 times, I like my bags to be functional, and for me that's functional because I can remember, okay, I have whatever on this side and then whatever on this side, if that makes sense. The strap can be adjusted just a tad bit. Right now it's in the middle, so there are 3 holes on each side. The only thing, I don't know, that I might possibly do, just because I don't really like those going up, I might possibly put it on the first hole there, so there's less of this sticking up. But still, the strap drop is good, a good length. I kind of like that stitching because it's a little bit of a contrast. So this stitching I feel like it's maybe coming across a little bit more than what it actually is showing in real life. I don't feel like it's that in your face, but I really do like that. I think it gives it just a little bit of extra something there. Really nice leather. The leather smells really good. So those are my 2 purchases. 2 bags really for about 120, maybe a little less than 120. So I'm good with that. So thank you so much for watching. Oh, if you're wondering about my hair, this is Estetica Avalon in the color Caramel Kiss RT4. So Avalon is one of my absolute favorite styles. I have 3, I think 3. I just love Avalon. So I do have a review on Avalon, and I will link it up either up here or down below for you. But thank you again for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.